Hey friends, this is Atif here. Val and welcome to the new update on ApeCoin. In my earlier videos, I have been showing you that the price of ApeCoin was rejected by the resistance for quite long-term broadening falling wedge pattern, and this was one of those videos. Now let's take a look at the live chart, and this is the 7 days time frame chart, and this was the broadening falling wedge pattern that I was showing you. And after the rejection, the price is now dropped at the bottom of a quite long-term support zone. That starts from $1.20 and goes to $1. Previously, this support zone has been working as a support here, support here. And now recently, after the breakout, it is again flipped into a support zone. We had a nice short bounce here, but again, the price line is drop down is inside the support zone, and right now it is dropped at the bottom of the support zone. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that we have also found this down trend line resistance as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup or LDO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this trading views chart, you can watch the complete trade setup and you can also watch when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 24th of January 2024 with my members. And here you can watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Within few moments, you can see how the price line moved up. And this was a very, very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of ApeCoin. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that recently we have found this downtrend and resistance on the daily time frame chart. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And by the way, before finding this resistance, the price was also rejected by this long-term downtrend and resistance as well. That is, by the way, the resistance of a very big broadening of falling wedge pattern. If we switch to the 7 day time frame chart, and this was the broadening falling wedge pattern that the Python has formed on this 7 day time frame chart. You can see that it is forming nicely lower lows and lower highs. Whenever it is getting bounced on the support, it is forming lower lows and lower highs. Like here, we formed this lower high and we formed lower low. That was lower than the previous one. Then we formed another lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And this was another lower high. And now the price is dropped down at this support zone right now on the 7 day time frame chart. So far, the price did not break down the support zone, but in case of breaking it down, it can drop to the next support here. That will be approximately at $1. By the way, this $1 has been not at $1. It will be approximately at 65 cents. It has been previously working as support here and support here, and again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of ApeCoin. And in case of another reversal, by the way, before starting that reversal, we will need to break out this downtrend and resistance. Then we can expect that the pricing can break out the top of this resistance zone. And that is approximately $1.20. By the way, right now we are testing this level as support zone, but as you can see that we have broken down the top of the support zone. Therefore, now this top of $1.20 can work as a resistance for the price on a ApeCoin. And after that, it can be the resistance somewhere here approximately at $1.90. And over there, we have another very strong resistance, by the way, that $1.90 has been previously breaking as resistance here, support here for several weeks, and resistance here as well. And once ApeCoin will be able to break out this broadening falling wedge pattern, then technical target will be here. That was the beginning of this wedge. That was approximately at $7.50. And here you can also observe that we have already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern as well. This was the broadening falling wedge pattern, and right now the Python is still moving inside this broadening falling wedge pattern. But we have already broken out this another falling wedge pattern, and the long-term target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $28 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.